Hey everybody, Hunter with Injected Motorsports here. I was just going to do a quick video showing on this Airdog II 4G. I've had a few units in the past couple months. After installation, everything was good except there was a small leak out of the housing. I was going to show you when you broke it down. Sometimes these O-rings right here, the big one and the small one, sometimes they can be a little ripped or torn. This one too, that's where your check ball is. But on one of them, this whole O-ring was missing. It was causing it to leak out this way. Just something to look for if you have that leak, or I mean, it takes, you know, a couple of minutes just to break this loose. Just 4 bolts holding that whole housing on. But try that if you ever have that kind of leak. Just a tip today, and catch you next time. Thanks.